What do you think? World War?
I don't know. I think we should go there.
So
first,
that's the first one.
All
All right. What is the first one?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. So the Caribbean's next top model has been chosen, ladies and gentlemen, and she is a Jamaican. Yes! Her name
Shamique
is
Sims.
That's right, Shamique Sims. The finale of the televised regional reality show was aired on Monday. Samantha West from Trinidad and
That's her. That's her right
Ketchy
there.
Vaughn of Guyana.
That's her.
Yeah, world. Wow, she's beautiful.
Isn't she though?
Oh my word.
She's hooked up to one of our modeling agencies in Jamaica.
I'm not sure. I
Or she
soon tell you.
does solo meal. Look at that. That's nice. Though. That's a nice picture.
She's 5'9". The judges say she had grace and natural beauty, and she had a great ability to work the camera. I'm trying to figure out, I don't think she's linked to anybody.
Yeah.
But she's won the title of Caribbean's Next Top Model. She's won $25,000 US.
Oh, I meet her.
A contract with Mint Model Management in New York.
Go back to the 25.
A cover feature
Oh, I meet her.
and an editorial spread in She Caribbean magazine plus the latest generation iPhone from Fleur.
You know, work with me now. I said go back to the 25,000.
She won $25,000.
See, I have a serious question. You don't think with me, my body size, I could be a model? Huh? You see me?
He actually prefaced that statement with that he have a serious question.
Yeah, that's being very serious.
You know what's serious? What's happening in Syria?
No, but you don't.
That's not. I don't even gonna dignify what you just asked me with a response. You have to come out here and show me your best mago pose. You've tried it before and you failed epically, but you can do it again.
But I can learn, no?
So go. So let's see your best. Come out here and show me your best. Show me your best.
You tell me what I must do.
I'm gonna tell you. Come out here.
All right.
I want to see your range, okay? So just work with me.
Yeah.
All right. So give me Channel Happy. No, don't look at me. You have to show
Channel
people.
Happy?
Channel Happy.
They don't always look happy.
No, show me happy on your mugger face. No. Okay. So you epically fail at happy.
All right, I feel happy.
Channel angry and intense.
Angry? I'm a vex.
Intense.
I'm not pass that one.
You epically failed that one too. And now Channel Sexy.
No, but me not even have to do nothing for sexy. Me just have to stand up.
No,
me just
come on, the man, you have to
sex.
smize.
All right,
Smize.
sexy,
Smile. You know to smize?
Me say sexy.
You have to smize. Smile with your eyes. You have to smize.
Me smile with my mouth. I'm going to smile with my...
Smize.
All right,
It's a
hold on.
modeling thing.
All right, Caesar.
Let me see it. Somebody get never a tissue from me.
Oh, that smile, look.
Something in your eye.
You know it's bad mind.
Epic
because
failure.
Me nice than the whole
Come. We might need to rethink that.
I'll go back listen.
Let's think of another job choice. Okay?
That's the man.
The whole of the band members are laughing at you.
The band man in my life. You
They're
know, so we
laughing at you.
unplug them. Go and
No,
laugh, man.
no,
I bet
no.
nobody else to hear the profile.
I think you should probably try taking up like making asham and selling that.
You know what?
That would
You
probably
see, when
be
I get
better
me
for you.
$25,000 Caribbean model, I don't know none of you. Anyway, as you said, this is serious.
Okay.
Is that
Yeah.
World War now?
I don't know.
So because of the chemical attack from Syria, by the way, Syria said they never have no chemicals, but there was
Is
a
that what they
chemical
said?
attack. Yeah, Assad said they never ever use chemicals.
Wicked.
But you saw the pictures of the kids, and there was a chemical attack. So yesterday, the United States launched something on Syria. President Trump, it says, launches missiles. Apparently it's 50 missiles.
60?
They-
50 to 60, that's it.
60. They said they told Russia they were going to do it. Well, it says between 50 and 60 Tomahawk cruise missiles at a Syrian government air base where the warplanes that carried out the chemical attacks were based. Wow.
And Russia is already not responding well to the
Yeah, well, they
attacks,
said
so.
they told Russia because Russia Russia have troops there. So they said they told Russia before they launched it. And they're saying there can be no dispute that Syria used banned chemical weapons, violated its obligations under the Chemical Weapons Convention, and ignored the urging of the UN Security Council.
Terrible, man.
So Assad said never do it. And Mr. Trump said, well, I now have responsibility. So,
But there are
wow.
all sorts of questions coming up now about whether he got congressional approval or he
Yeah.
advised Congress about it.
Yeah.
Russia is warning of negative consequences of the airstrike. So I wonder what's going to happen now.
I wonder what's going to happen now because I don't think Syria going to say, all right, no problem, we're not
With
attack. We're
Assad?
going to just sit down and do it. Not, I think Assad when try a thing. So, wow. And when it becomes chemical, why anything can
Can't
happen.
even look at I haven't been able to watch the stories, look at the pictures from Syria because
Incredible.
there's some images that are just too hard for parents to.
What
to
I
look
say,
at.
more and none. We will
Yeah.
hear more. I'm sure.
Yeah.
What's the last one?
All right, so Prince Harry is continuing his mom's legacy. To mark International Mine Awareness Day on Tuesday, he announced his support to rid the world of landmines by 2025. I remember this was a huge part
For his
of what
mother,
she used to
yeah.
fight for.
Yeah.
Rid the world of landmines by 2025. He called on world leaders to do the same. He said, in August 1997, my mother traveled to Bosnia with Ken Rutherford. When she was there, she met two young boys, one Muslim, one Serbian, who had both lost legs to landmines. She shared their stories with the world and helped campaigners, many of whom are in this room, to change history. So he carries on that fight.
Yeah.
And boy, we hope something comes of that. Because those landmines
Like
are...
that youth there, you know.
Harry?
Yeah.
William too?
Yeah.
Did you meet him when he was here the last time?
No, I say I want.
You didn't want it?
I wanted to meet him.
So when he came the last time for the wedding and you asked him to link you, he never link you?
No, it looked like nobody never tell him what I said.
Oh,
I want to
God.
meet a youth there. All right,
Link
with
up
William.
with
William
link
look like
up
a
with
little
world
nerd.
best. Link up with world best.
Yeah, I make world best. Cause I want to meet a
World
youth.
best
I like
link
a
up
youth.
with him.
I like a youth.
You
I didn't
know,
want to meet his
hard.
mother, by the way, but I didn't. But some more want to meet him.
Yeah.
All right, we ready for some birthdays?
Go on then.
Everett.
What time it are? 6:50.
This is Chin. Now, her birthday was yesterday, and I actually just forgot to do it because I had this picture.
gosh.
Chin Hottie, look at Chin. Chin, I hope you had a great day from Shampoo, Angel, and Paris. So I hope you have an absolutely brilliant day, or you had.
Shampoo, Angel and Paris.
Yeah.
I like it.
Don't you like that?
I like it.
I have another birthday coming
So
right
far,
now.
no?
This is Rowan Brown. Rowan, I hope you have a great day. Happy birthday coming from your wife Naomi, your daughter Abigail, and your cousin Andre. There you go. And on Sunday, Khadija. Khadija works at the JUTC ticket office in Greater Portmore. No, man.
Pretty girl.
Yo, Khadija, win. Hope you have a great day on Sunday and many, many happy returns. I think that's it.
Yeah.
I don't have no more.
Okay.
You have any?
No.
Okay.
So can I go to break?
Yeah.
All right, to break.
Hold on,
With
I have
some
one more.
birthday
Wait.
folks.
Birthday greetings to Clement Price coming from wife Carol. This from one. This say from wife Carol, girlfriend Dallas, and side chick Sherman. Well, Clement, I think you're still there. I don't know who said this, but it said I don't even know it's
And you read it.
I don't know it's who.
Yeah,
It's
but that's
birthday
why you
greetings
shouldn't have
to-
read it.
to Clement Price. Make I say it again. So, from wife Carol, girlfriend Dallas, and side chick Sherman.
So if you mash up a marriage, you'd be all right with that.
And happy birthday to Dorothy. It's coming from your sister Dorothy. I hope you have a brilliant day today. You didn't see the.
I'm not talking to you.
You didn't see the
I'm done with
African.
you.
You never see the
I'm
African
over
guy
it.
that win the award.
I
And him
cannot
say,
with
you
you.
never see it.
I'm not
And him
talking.
say I want to thank my wife.
And him girlfriend.
And my girlfriend.
Oh,
And him say,
I mean my wife.
I mean
Yeah.
my wife.
Yeah, no. We saw what you did there. We see you guys.
Well, Clement, also one more year. Happy birthday to Constable Yannick Cameron of Yallas St. Thomas. Wishing you many, many more and a wonderful day. Greetings coming from Miss Little in St. Catherine.
7th of April, everybody, happy birthday today. Happy birthday to you.
Clement.
You're just cute.
So much pretty place I put up. Why so much I telling her what you be look? I like them I tell say Jamaica mash up. I like them I tell say Jamaica mash up. Then why so much pretty place I put up? Why so much I telling her what you be look? When she come on, pick it up and bend it up like I'm not